She loved the rain in the waking hours near the house where she played her little games. And the hills aglow and the fields around were as bright as the sunlight fading. Fade into winter, fade into splinters, bright as the morning filth. Yellow dawn, strange purple day, long as the season lasts. She loved the dawn on the burning hill, waking from dreams of mighty snow. And the morning sun shining through the fog was as harsh as the dreams now forming in thunder up in the mountain, far from the foothills down. Deep in the valley, dark casting shadows, far from the madness aglow. She loved the snow, falling pure and white, blankets to keep her warm and safe. Piled in the street, turning then to shit, brown as the rust-colored gutter. Powerful and ugly, ghost on the mountain, men of wisdom tear this playground down. Take this cursed cup, drink from it blindly, show us your ignorance and scorn. She loved the way that her magic wand could make fireflies dance in the yard, and the way the webs that she wove with skill could catch dreams and could bring vagrants down. Walk in the land, fearing her laughter, trapped by the side of her face. That's the way it was back in '62, back in the goddamn good old days. She walked the paths down the spiral hill, enchanted by homelessness and whores, avoiding piles of smoldering waste, drug addicts cheering it on. Shrinking from the city, same thing to do, seemed like the hill held its sway. In her little house, away from the crazy, seemed like the way to get away. She loved the rain in the waking hours in the house where she played her little games. And the hills aglow and the fields around were as bright as the sunlight fades.